Hey Dr. Andrew, my name is Zach, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today at Landmark Chiropractic to help bring in more customers to your business. So most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Well, I found by giving people a 3-step blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and asking me to help them further along. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them yourself, I'm fine with that too. I really enjoy just being able to help business owners out. So now let me show you these 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. And so in Google's eyes, what content is anything I can go to your page and highlight. You can go down here, the pictures, all of this right here is considered content in Google's eyes. Well, Google likes to have you put at least 1,500 words of content on your home page that are dense in keywords that pertain to your industry. Well, I have a free tool called SEO Quake that you can download and use yourself that's showing me you have roughly 1,000 words on your page. Well, pushing 1,100. But so you're close, but there's still a little bit of work to be done. And I have another tool called Ahrefs that is showing you only have 65 organic keywords. So this number right here is pretty low and needs to be bumped up to be optimal in Google's eyes. But we can go take a look at your competition's website, and I actually typed in chiropractor Waco, Texas. And behind the joint, the number 1 competition in the area is Allied Chiropractic and Massage. So looking at their website, they're going to have a little bit more content since they have these videos and a little bit more text. Looking at SEO Quake, they are pushing 1,400 words. And then looking at Ahrefs, they have 270 organic keywords. And just to kind of prove how this works, so you can see they're pulling in 192 organic traffic to their website a month, whereas y'all are only pulling in 40, and you've actually dropped down 11 in the last month. So there's some work to be done to push y'all's number back up, and there's a lot of pie left on the table for y'all to chase after just by looking at how much traffic Allied Chiropractic's pulling in. So the second thing I want to jump into are citations in the Google Map Pack. Once again, I searched Chiropractor Waco, Texas, and the first company to pop up in the Google Map Pack was Cast Chiropractic. Now the way that they're able to obtain this position is through what are called citations, and that is a combination of going to a bunch of different websites and indexes and putting in your name, address, and phone number. So that way in the Google Map Pack you're optimized for name, address, and phone number. Well, I did a search on all 3 of y'all's citations. It's looking like you only have 8 right now, and Cast Chiropractic is at 60. So this is how they're able to keep that top spot in the Google Map Pack. And that being said, you really need to be at about 200 to 300 citations to be optimal and just to kind of beat all the competition by a landslide, which with some work that can definitely be accomplished. Now the last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. And essentially what a backlink is where website A is pointing to website B, telling Google that whenever a person searches for a certain set of keywords, that they need to push the traffic to website B because that's the one with the authority, and it essentially turns into a popularity contest in Google's eyes. But there is a such thing as quality backlinks. So we'll take a look at your website. So you have 13 backlinks, which is a low number, but you have 8 referring domains, which is good because you want this ratio to be as close to 1-to-1 as you can get it. Now looking at Allied Chiropractic, they have more backlinks, and they're at about a 2-to-1 ratio with their domains. So this amount of backlinks is another thing just pushes them closer to the top. And really, you need to have way more backlinks and domains, which can be done over time by finding good quality backlinks from different websites that pertain to your industry. So you want to find different chiropractic websites that you can go and get these backlinks from and give you more authority to your website. With that being said, I want to go to closing here and just kind of touch on the 3 things that we talked about today. Number 1 was the content on your homepage. So you need to have 1,500 words worth of keyword dense content on your homepage. Number 2 were our citations in the Google Map Pack. So we really want to be 200 to 300 citations just to push everybody else out of the Google Map Pack number 1 spot. And then number 3 were our backlinks. We want to have good, high quality backlinks that pertain to your industry with a good amount of referring domains, so Google gives you more authority in that popularity contest that we were talking about. Well, with that being said, I'd really like to sit down and talk to you about your company goals and kind of what direction you would like to go in, as well as how I can help you out, because that's really my ultimate goal here, is to be helping out local business owners. But with that being said, my name once again is Zach, and you can contact me at 903-715-7876. I really look forward to hearing from you soon, and Dr. Andrew, I sure do appreciate your time. Have a great day.